Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply a scanning effect to your videos in CapCut PC. This is a pro feature, so I'm going to go to the effects section. I'm going to just type in scan, and as you can see, well, this isn't a pro feature, but most of it is. I'll just go to the pro effects here. There is the hollow scan, which looks like this. You can also adjust the colors here if you'd like to. There is, what else is there? You know what, I'm just gonna type in scan because I'm not finding stuff here. There's this pixel scan, which is pretty cool, and there is also this hollow scan as well. I think I just did that. This one is the free feature though, but it's not the same. I don't know what this effect does, but those are the scan features. Again, most of them is a pro feature. They also have it in body effects, but it's a little bit different. So yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.